everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Marie. I'm a graphic designer, and here on my YouTube channel I use Adobe Illustrator to create illustrations, 3D simulations, and branding. In today's tutorial we're going to design a heart using a simple technique. Select the rectangle tool, click anywhere on your artboard to open the rectangle panel, insert the width and the height, and click OK. Now that you have your rectangle, while it's selected, go to the rotate tool, click on it to open the rotate tab, and rotate it 45 degrees. Click OK. Now, while the rectangle is still selected, click here and select the reflect tool. When the icon is changed, double click on the reflect icon to open the reflect tab. Select vertical and click copy. Now we have a copy of the rectangle reflected vertically. Select both of them, go to the shape builder tool, and while holding Alt to subtract, we're going to subtract these two extra shapes that we don't need, and then without the Alt we're going to unite these other three shapes and make them into one. Using the subtract pen tool, I'm going to delete that anchor point that was extra we don't need. Now I'm going to select all of these anchor points here except for this middle one, this top middle one, and I'm going to pull to round. I'm going to pull on these round dots while they're selected to round the angles. And here is our heart shape, as simple as that. I'm going to change the fill color to red, the stroke to a dark red. I'm going to also change the stroke line to this variant here.
That's right, why?
And now, just to finish up the video, I'm going to write using the type tool, subscribe. I'm going to change the outline to white, the stroke to white, leave the fill to the same dark red that I used for the stroke of the heart. It's the font. While the text is selected, I'm going to go to type, create outlines to convert the text into shapes. So now the text is no longer editable. I'm going to change the stroke line to outside instead of center. Now I'm going to use the type tool to create the thank you text. I'm going to move this up. I'm going to change the fill to white, no stroke this time. I'm going to select everything, align to center, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please hit that subscribe button and don't miss out on any of my future videos. Bye!